Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and you can see that this is a bitmap, and they're trying to make the eagle letters like this. So they've done all the work for me. I just need to tell them one little thing. So we're going to take this path and nudge it out of the way. And for the one I'm doing it for, it doesn't matter on this video, but I changed your nudge distance to 0, 0. So we're going to take, she must have found that exact font. Or they, I'm going to quit saying gender because I get so many emails. And then I'm going to go to text, fit text to path, and you want that red bar that'll tell you that that's in the middle of the path. Now, that's not what she wants or they want. They want the letter straight up and down. Well, while you're in this mode right here, and you will pick this one right here. See, this is the normal, regular, there's ones you can have them like this, but this one right here will do exactly what these letters have been done to. So just then go to object. Well, we got to select it all. Go to object and break the text apart. And then you can move that back, and it's a little bit low, but they can deal with that. And then move it into their new, and I would do it some sort of mathematically to make sure you're right. But it's very easy to change that color. They evidently know how, but we could just take the color eyedropper tool and take that sample and fill in those letters. So I think that's that is. It's a carbon copy of that. One thing on the bitmap, there's a little bit of a fuzziness there that you've taken away, which is probably good. I don't know if they're printing. You did a really good job if you trace this or how you did it, because everything else looks dead on. Anyway, there you go. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.